everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Today I will be doing an unboxing again. Rosalind sent me this gel polish set, so let's get to it. This gel polish set comes with 20 different colors, just like in my second to last video where I did that unboxing as well, and it came with 20 polishes. So next we'll get started on the swatches. Here are all of the swatches for the gel polishes. I really love the glitter colors, especially the gold and the green. But all of these colors are so nice. I can't wait to try these out, so let's get started into the nail tutorial. Okay, to start off, I'm just gonna do the pop-off method by putting top coat. Now I'm going to glue the tips on. Next I'll clip them. Next I'll file them. Next I'll put a bit of base coat just to get rid of the scratches, then I'll come right back. Here are the colors that I'm going to use. I'm pretty much going to do like a marble ombre polygel set, and I'm gonna try to use as much of the colors as I can. I'm just gonna do 2 colors on each finger and then swirl those 2 colors together. So let's get started on that. I'm also gonna use Mia Secret's blooming gel, and I'm using Makartt A Siesta, and I'm using Rosalind's clear polygel. So first I'm gonna put a thin layer of blooming gel. Then I'm going to add my 2 colors. Then I'm going to get my dotting tool, and I'm just going to swirl these. So after doing the swirl, I'll just cure the nail and then get started on the next one. So I'm pretty much just gonna do the same thing for all of the rest of the nails. Now that these are done, I'm just gonna put top coat on top just to protect them. Now that I'm done putting on top coat, I'll get started on the polygel application. I'm going to use 91% isopropyl alcohol as my slip solution. that I'm done with the ombre part, I'll just put clear polygel on top. This nail's a little bit thin, so I'm just gonna add more polygel. Now that I'm done with the application, I'm going to get started on filing. Now here's how they look after filing and buffing. Lastly, I'll put top coat. Next, I'm going to put cuticle oil. Here's how the nails look. Very pretty, really giving earthy kind of vibes, especially with the color palette with the gel polish set. Very earthy vibes, lots of warm tones, some cool tones. Like when I look at this set, I immediately think of Lion King. Just because of how the color palette came off. It looks kind of like a safari, if that makes sense. I really love how this set turned out very cute, and I love how the marble nails came out. At this point, it is a Rosalind takeover. They are going all out with these polishes, and I'm here for it. So what did you guys think of this set? If you liked this set and enjoyed the video, comment down below. I like to hear your thoughts. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.